Google Pixel Watch Review. After many years of anticipation, Google's first Pixel smartwatch has arrived. It integrates Fitbit health tracking technology and aims to compete with Samsung and the best-selling Apple Watch. It is compatible with the majority of Android devices that have access to the Google Play Store, but not the iPhone. It is powered by Google's Wear OS, an Android-based operating system, but is tightly connected with Fitbit. The Pixel Watch only has one compact size with a 41mm case, which is odd for a smartwatch. With a choice of 3 colors, its curved Gorilla Glass 5 screen seamlessly merges with its stainless steel body. High-quality rubber bands are included with every Pixel Watch. The watch is clearly nicely crafted, both in terms of appearance and feel, as well as comfort. Its smooth texture allows it to go under shirt cuffs easily in spite of being rather thick. The compact size will be beneficial for those with smaller wrists. The ability to always have the screen on, which is bright and clear, to be a crucial component of a watch. Text, photos, and information on the 3cm display appear somewhat small despite the interface's predominance in black. Effortlessly executed taps, swipes, and crown turns. Google Assistant loads quickly and responds to requests, and apps open promptly. Although it isn't nearly as quick as an Apple Watch, it is still far faster than the majority of its competitors on the Android side, matching Samsung's Galaxy Watch model. Although the battery should withstand more than 500 full charge cycles with at least 80% of its original capacity, Google does not specify an expected lifespan for the battery. The watch can't currently be repaired and replaced. The watch uses Wear OS 3.5, the most recent version, with some Google-made customizations that make it appear a little different from Samsung's. Google will continue to support the watch at least through October 2025. The Play Store's third-party apps, such as Strava and Spotify with offline music downloads, will function on it. Quick voice help provided by Google Assistant is built in and functions much more quickly than Fitbit's and earlier Wear OS devices. You may either say, "Hey, Google," or press and hold the side button to bring it up. Along with Home, which can be used to manage smart lights and other devices, there are also the Google Maps, Gmail, Calendar, and Wallet apps. It shows all of your phone's notifications in full, including chat photos and alarms, and gives you the option to reply to them. The watch's tiny keyboard makes it difficult to type replies, but voice dictation performs impressively. Google Pixel Watch, Fitbit integration and fitness. Your activity, workouts, and sleep can all be tracked with the Pixel Watch, and the Fitbit app can import the data. Fitbit doesn't offer any impressive Pixel Watch-only features. Instead, the user experience is similar to those of other devices. When manually tracking exercises, you can select from roughly 40 different exercise categories. If you don't select one before you begin your workout, Fitbit will thereafter define it broadly with labels like activity or walking once you're through. The 3 zones that Fitbit divides your work into are fat burn, cardio, and peak. These zones are determined by your heart rate, but Fitbit merely provides the information that the calculation differs from device to device regarding how it is calculated. Google has bragged about how accurately the Pixel Watch can detect your heart rate. By default, it takes a continuous reading of your pulse. When compared to manual measures, the watch's readings appear to be accurate. Additionally, the Fitbit app allows you to collect ECG readings, and you can share the results with your doctor by exporting the data as a PDF. However, there is no support for blood pressure readings. Additional functionality found in other, less-priced Fitbit-branded products, such as skin temperature and electrodermal activity sensors, are not supported. The occasional mood check-ins the sense can send when it detects changes can be a useful method to maintain awareness of your emotional state. The Pixel Watch can keep track of your sleep patterns and calculate details such as how long it took you to fall asleep, and how much time you spent in various sleep stages including light, deep, and REM. A 6-month subscription to Fitbit Premium is included with the Pixel Watch. This service offers guided workouts, mindfulness exercises, more detailed sleep data, and a daily readiness score that uses your tracked data to determine how rested and thus ready you are each day. The price of the Pixel Watch is $349 for the Wi-Fi only device, and $399 for the cellular version. This is $50 and $100 less than the comparable Apple Watch Series 8 versions. The Pixel Watch can only be used with Android smartphones.